Welcome! Today we're learning contractions. A contraction consists of two words that are combined to form one word. To contract a word is to make the word shorter by using the apostrophe. The apostrophe sign is on the board. When words are contracted, the apostrophe is placed when letter or letters have been omitted. Example 1. Is equals apostrophe S. When is contracted, it gives us apostrophe S. We remove the letter I and replace it with an apostrophe, as seen on the board. We remove letter I and replace it with an apostrophe. That is, when we are contracting is, we remove letter I and place it with an apostrophe, which gives us apostrophe S. That is, the contraction for is apostrophe S. It is. It is. The contraction for it is its. Its. That is, when it is contracted, it gives us what? It, as seen on the board. She is. She is. The contraction for she is she's. He is. He is. The contraction for he is is. Example 2. Not equaled N apostrophe T. That is, when not is contracted, it gives us N apostrophe T. The contraction for not is N apostrophe T. We remove the letter O and replace it with an apostrophe, as we have seen on the board. We remove the letter O and place it with an apostrophe. The contraction for not is N apostrophe T. Did not. The contraction for did not is didn't. Does not. The contraction for does not is doesn't. Was not. The contraction for was not is wasn't. Is not. The contraction for is not is isn't. Example 3. R equals to apostrophe RE. R equals to apostrophe RE. That is, when R is contracted, it gives us apostrophe RE. We remove the letter A and replace it with an apostrophe. We remove the letter A and replace it with an apostrophe, as we have seen on the board. We remove what? Letter A and replace it with an apostrophe. We are. We are. The contraction for we are is where. Where. Example 4. Will equals apostrophe double L. Will equals apostrophe double L. That is, the contraction for will is apostrophe double L. We remove the letter W and I and replace it with an apostrophe. We remove the letter W and I and replace it with an apostrophe, as we have seen on the board. We remove letter what? W. We remove letter I and we replace it with a what? An apostrophe. That is, the contraction for will is apostrophe double L. It will. It will. The contraction for it will is it will. It will. The contraction for it will is it will. You will. The contraction for you will is you will. We will. The contraction for we will is we will. Example 5. Would equals apostrophe D. That is, when would is contracted, it gives us apostrophe D. We remove letter W, O, U, and L and replace it with an apostrophe. We remove letter W, O, U, and L and replace it with an apostrophe. That is, we are left with letter D. So the contraction for would is apostrophe D. The contraction for would is apostrophe D. I will. The contraction for I will is I'd. I'd. He will. The contraction for he will is id. Id. Example 6. Have equal apostrophe VE. Have equal apostrophe VE. That is, when have is contracted, it gives us apostrophe VE. We remove letter H and A and replace it with an apostrophe. We remove letter H and A and replace it with an apostrophe. That is, the contraction for have is apostrophe VE. The contraction for have is apostrophe VE. We have. The contraction for we have is weave. Weave. You have. You have. The contraction for you have is you've. You've. Example 7. Am equal apostrophe M. The contraction for am equal apostrophe M. We remove letter A and replace it with an apostrophe. We remove letter A and replace it with an apostrophe. So the contraction for am is apostrophe M. The contraction for am is apostrophe M. I am. The contraction for I am is I am. I am. In English language, we have some special rules for some words. We have what? Some special rules for some words. Example. When the word will not is contracted, it forms will not. Will not, which is incorrect. Is what? Incorrect. The correct answer is won't. The correct answer is what? Won't. That is, the contraction for will not is won't. Is what? Won't. Also, for the word cannot, when contracted, it forms cannot. Cannot, which is incorrect. Is what? Incorrect. The correct answer is can't. Is what? Can't. The contraction for cannot is what? Can't. Let's take note of this. The contraction for will not is what? Won't. The contraction for cannot is what? Can't. Using contraction in sentences. We have our sentence here and we have our contraction here. Now let's take note that the word which is in the bolded form is the word we are going to do what? Contract, and we'll read them together to form a meaningful sentence. No, I am not late. The contraction will be no, I'm not late. He is not eating the food. He is not eating the food. The contraction will be he isn't eating the food. I know you'll be pleased. I know you'll be pleased. The contraction will be I know you'll be pleased. I know you'll be pleased. See you next time. Bye for now.